After watching our last video, many of you asked us if we made it to Dzukou Valley or not. Well, we did make it, but this video is about our experience of getting lost. Dzukou is indeed a heaven on earth. It's beautiful and something like you have never seen before. We started from Dimapur at around 9 am in the morning and we reached Zakama by noon. We started our trek from the Zakama route at around 2 pm. There are two routes by which you can trek to Dzukou Valley, Vishwema and Zakama. Vishwema is the longer and the easier route, while Zakama is the shorter and the harder one. Let us just say Vishwema is the entry route while Zakama is the exit route. We took the Zakama route. The trek is an adventurous one across a variety of terrain paths. It is mostly a walk through jungles over streams of water, sometimes climbing stone steps and sometimes downhill walk. The trek is quite a distance and you'll have to walk a lot. We lost our way after we crossed a stream. We kept going up, hoping we make it to our destination before dark. Going uphill, climbing over boulders, then we realized we hit a dead end. It was sunset by then. We decided to stay out in the open with no covering over our heads. It was a rocky terrain and we were unable to pitch our tents. Dzukou really gets cold at night. We covered up with whatever we had, and with limited food and water, we slept in turns. Seeing the sun rise at the first break of dawn at 5:30 am in the morning, our joy knew no bounds.
This morning we started our trek down just when the sun rose, and right now it's 7:43 and we have almost reached the point I think where we got lost yesterday. We walked along these boulders yesterday at night. It was around 6 o'clock when we reached the top of these boulders, and then we realized that was a dead end. I have no idea how we walked how we climbed these boulders. I don't know, there was something in the Glucon-D. What you'll see is the normal Dzukou Valley, people telling you of successful treks. All we can see you is, we can say you of the way we got lost. And we walked all the way here, which was a mistake. You should have had to just cross over and take this to the rest house. Just remember these stones, guys. You have to take these steps to the second rest house. After one day of trekking and getting lost and staying out in the open, here we are in the second rest house. And this is the marking.
After trekking for another 2 hours, we reached the Dzukou viewpoint, and by seeing the view from there, we forgot all our hardships. We forgot the difficult night we had the previous night, because Dzukou is really beautiful. Dzukou means cold water. It is spectacularly green valley. It's very well protected from the outside world, and I love the way they have preserved their mother nature. I will not say much about the beauty of Dzukou Valley. I leave that for your viewing pleasure. Let me tell you a very interesting thing about trivia about the Dzukou Valley trek. Your Google map doesn't work out there, and please do not try to follow it, because the turns are so many that even Google Map will confuse you. Also, do not expect to meet a lot of people. You may be lucky if you meet another trekking group, if you meet them, if they are coming down or going up, but do not have that hope in mind that you'll meet somebody. You're all by yourself. If you're watching this so far, and if you do get lost, stay calm, do not panic.
When you come to Dzukou, please do take a guide with you. They'll help you navigate the way through. It's slightly tricky. Like I said, we got lost. trek with a localite, or if you come here with a localite, someone from Kohima or Nagaland itself, they'll tell you a lot more about the Dzuku history and what they consider Dzuku to be. And just for us, it's just another place to spend a night or two. For them, it's like more of religious and more of traditional and historical value. That's my trekking partners, Tommy, Pechu and Kunal Shaw.
Hitchhiking away in this mini truck. The person here has given us a lift till Kohima.